Okay, T, yada wase. Yamika ose wetimi ajebre na ohwe bedwem. Abejafo Atnas Dr. Ezekiel Jikumo being a member of the NPP National Communications Team. Then lawyer Dennis Kwame Ofori Esiedu also a member of the NDC National Communications Team. And then komo eba bedino. Ne man yem dey say e aba Galamsey nti yem dey say mo doctor ni wo be me hunu the health implications of yen Galamsey. Na lawyer so me hunu the legal aspect of Galamsey. Na patro hade Kwanyako Ghana water we no. Plant na ma shutting it down no. So patro so video na patro ma eni ahwefo etimi ehwesa video me. Okay, so there's a when na ma Ghana water a shut it down. Kwanyako omo plant na one me supply insuo. It's about 10 districts ena wo ho aka. 10 districts ena wo aka. Ma say Mpensenpensenmu 200 more. I'm a the managing director of Ghana Water Company and Mpensenpensenmu in Ghana. All because they want to find a situation, a remedy to it. 80 areas me can was me Gomua East, Gomua Central, Gomua West, Aguna East, Aguna West, Ekumfi, part of Ekumfi, and I feel over some part of Accra, Kaswa and Potemua, Omunyina so affected. This is the reason here. Ghana Water for Ashate on plant no da infa na second say 9 FM o madam ne saka sa video lawyer yeah Galamsey ni hu de hwe sa de lawyer hwe ma lawyer hwe hu
no kre se na bo mi din ti ase ne de wa ma fem ma me nyam fa ne crazy but also me by Matthew din bebre pa o oso commander back on friends and captain
10 districts affected by Kwanyako
also mame chai mame fa Kwanya na me chai excellency John Dramani Mahama and minua kuma Felix Kwacho Ofosu honorable na menchia inuanmo mo gananya ni titulu ne minuanmo mo oti be akoye consistency ni me kra setapa amanya me che obi bia o na ansa na beba Galamsey unse mre no eso kakra nti ansa na beba Galamsey ne so no mame mo his excellency John Dramani Mahama Abaso ene enra ejumadi kese a okudi aye the launching of the big push project.
Okay.
Ubia ofa Ghana akwan so bi dia dance say yakwan de a problem kese. Babia enye no na enye. Babia eye so no. Ya na you know portals nkiti bi ni ade wo so. Nti we a very bold initiative His Excellency na ba take care be kan legacy projects na obey no.
Okay, Kwame say so the minister will be here.
Okay.
Honorable Kwame
Agoja
will be here now. The full scope of
the project,
the big push project, the $10 billion project. Yeah, the ministry, which I think is the head sector, and so the big push. And to also maybe share the sector, the roads and the highways, no, baby, a capture in the $10 billion project now. Mpensenpensenmu and run.
Yeah, okay, that's it. Nemum ono beba be kan details.
Yeah.
Nenso ne ye enika wo ho na ehye ye nkuran ma as government communicators ye need to say etimi bo ho de ro no yenso ye be didi ho komo kakra nen nansa na menua lawyer bi a over Volta region of me no say why this year be year of roads and I'm say pacho ye nye ya jin say ye sloganeering bia because ono ye juma wo honorable Agboja constituency Adakulu district assembly but otiho you know because of assembly no ye juma ne law no practicing it no okoba
okay
na ne kwan no na any major headache but so kwan juma akof so e wo hodi ne omo mame other areas a juma shase a ekoso ma me ankasa so nyame cha de me nya Kwanyako kuma say week na twam na to asoko tamale mi hu kakra dia
in fact Kwame Agoja eba na de ba ko a waya de bia me ka se me de bona baso yese Adam ne ka sa edi wo se sikapuduo pa de ko ni sisi ani no but how to make the road smooth travel there ye betimi ya mamanfo
enokre
ene ade ba ko bani aje so ye ka ye tena ka tema industrial area akwan no o se akwese me catch se benye ska de akwan asphalt and money area na mboa but ko ye betimi ya makwan mo trouble and it's true so be of us akwan so de bia be catch say se ne ka ho asem some time ago no and entisa
yeah okay
and that's why tiema most of the time and bought na baso for that commitment that opepana was what they sum or minor so
what's up pepano so a month for wo a even contractors ni bi wo a o sika ne da ho a o de be ye adwuma no na echiri
no
nemum se demonstrate bibia e
obi afani sika
be obi ani hwe se wafa nuwatu ashama
manufacturers would make my wage
no me come to
Galamsey
maybe would say me no me ba wafa nuwatu ashama under bridge kwan so pen who say between Kragon and Lashibi in Sune da ho no omo ye bridge bi eto ho the project stalled somewhere in 2017 obi amfa ne san kan da besi ene ya mini agboja be take over ko hwe the greater ejuma ne de koso nti me bona baso na me mana yiko se ne wa sha ase no o mento aso sa mini am yemra Galamsey so nyina yidi adanse me matena ha kan severally se Galamsey kuno eye ku bia enye ku a eye obakofo ku eye ku a eye se ye nyina ye de ye ho jimu
ye nyina
the
void of your political
ye nyina wo se ye de ye ho jimu ne ye boa se ebe sosidi because adanse bia me di wo han se eba ne sika obia ye ono obia dwon no nko aho nti to the extent say onipa no dwen say e wo so nya sika o de behwe ne ho no ondwen ni ote ne ho no biem nti amanfo omo into Galamsey no sise no omaye pese menkumnyafo
nti fache mo hwe o TV so a Kwanyako de e ka ho asemi ensuo na Galamsey fo ase ne no na ese ya soma mankwara ne kwa saba because pipe ne
ebi ni ho
plant na be pompi ensuo no ene ya shut down no the only thing I say the best one mankwara ko sa ensu finaba ne ya de esi awie mu a ne asone so kakra sa ko be se benya ne ni bete kakra sa
ya reho enti unse se basa ensuo no eye finse ya abani here and Ghana Water Company here extra money to be able to purify science you. And say omunya say sika no e de purify you na che was so mo transfer sa e kana omo bo no e de bre ye ntimamufo no
sure
hwe ya banduma no yesu sika bi eni ba bia e ba be kan ye sika ho so how do we pay for it nti eno akoye din. But unim the good thing is okoni edi mum ne mum na obebusan say anamon ben na ban tu na anamon ben na yentimamfo no so far yetimi tu e de boa aban anya say betena honi e beka stop Galamsey no nko an anamon bibre wo ho a e wo se yetu setimamfo aban enye na famu de obi abedi adanse say ntia ye nya ye ne say Ghana Forest Reserves aye wo no na ye nuanuma tiesi be 44 mu
Galamsey for no
omo say forest no say yensu bi na asi wo Kwanyako aban etisi mu kakra etimi jinkron na so last week ye nuanum sa wura mu biem
forest one no
forest me no kasa yi aban bomodin
forest na aban koje ni back
akoje ye no omu wura mienum but fortunately aban asa abo apiomo ojino mo so de ne e pam mo fi saa nremu a omo a ye be hye omo ne ma ya hye no omo a ye be pam mo fi o ya pam mo afi nremu ho na onim aban na demonstrate say o ye ready say Galamsey fight no obe wini
okay
Osha as it stands today no you're training about 980 blue water guards omo mo adwuma ni say omo 7 more as whistleblowers to help the security services so mbe hu be bia Galamsey for no mo tu omo so sa aban fancy ho a aban eye etu anamo a preparing to recruit and train about 1,020 blue water guards to push the number to 2,000. And no chino, say adia ye nuanom de say nsuo no dodo pa
Galamsey for
apart from chemicals no excavators.
Okay.
Now she the rate ye nuanom de cra excavators de bomb anymore hu nti dodo na aban edene sa to so
excavators na cry
excavators nti na me no ka say dodo na aban CZC port no ye move to military installations ebi wo Bema camp ebi wo Teshi camp
ebi wo say faculty kwanso yama
debi na even crampo no baby ye de kono say no ye de tracking devices about 600 in the process of putting the tracking devices of Linina. Say be now be just say oh me excavator na me de buy no oh me nya contract wo echire ha say e na me de kwakoya from the offices of Minerals Commission no obetimi a kire say excavator yampa enam nsawam amasama kwan so na momenko pie wo Eastern region remu baby a ye de to Galamsey and the tracking devices na de bon ho no ewo capacity a ebetimi a stop the engine of the excavator so the rubber bia unni hu kwan say odi bewura.
So between 2013 to 2023 Ghana spent about $969 million on excavator imports.
Eyehu enya dia ejai umma ho kwan a
$969 million
dodo na beba umma ho kwan a dodo na beba nti enya dia aban aye na adwe say
Ghana is the highest importer of excavator in West Africa according to OEC
from all countries.
Ghana is the highest importer of excavators in West Africa, second in Africa. You see, Council, when him the enter to the beer, Ghana for finding serious to trust more. And you're more like NDC, like more politicians.
Yeah, and I agree.
Yeni makonya ye okromwa. Yeni contractors okromwa. Eni yenim excavators to do a omuhia for modwombe. Ba ya na yatena siama ya bedu sa Mpensenpensenmu. Etia na ma say oti say aban bi kan say I will deal with it. Na Ghana for says because the father says mo di e ho fel.
Dabi. Ube hwa aban na muntu na wotu. Aban na muntu na wotu no. Enda be mo hu say.
And muntu ya president mama A2 they different from the previous government in O2. Then they exclusive one.
Unse aban ya na muntu a wotu no. Wasi nipi say ni di kan. Ye mpene ma ye party for any ya ba tobo mami ko oh Debbie okay nti be ba o wo settle question no me ba wo settle question bishop wo settle question no wo answer and as say no we move from bishopship no e use commandership no dey command me say me kan na wo pe oh
we say
bishop commander
and mo 3 year president mama aban A2 no the na exclusive ya o me
ye ka kire wo no nya botre
okay
na makasa say me kasa wo so wo wansa wo butrim na me kire wo say anamoto ni exclusive pa kra wo mu ni say omma omo na ban mu kwan e mo get involved in Galamsey practical na say ni be twa mu no ye wo party mpanifo ye wo party mpanifo ni aban appointees no mo involved directly in Galamsey.
Already Attorney General let no come ayoko bo say onye investigation on
me back to na try
awo ba ho
na da asasam no wa hye da hye bi agu tribunal no ne hia o nya botre ni abechew ne say aban na etiso enne no oti mpupuye bipo say ne party ni ana na appointee be involved that on kata wo so unlike ni etwa mu na say ye hu hwehwemu mpo a omampeni na nkasa kra ba bejina bedwam be kase there be unya involved enne entisa nti appointee bia ne party ni bia ada ne ho so a obi ampese ode ne ho be hye Galamsey ni so ono so koye bi if say on your appointee na mo wate asese say one hwe wanamuntu yi na be da pontin say o kan Galamsey ejuma ne ho a ye be yiwe film
is it always appointees and the party members ni na
party members kan na sankrofo na o ka say Attorney General Trama Yoko say or investigate your government appointees.
Our Win Traditional Council banishes NDC MP over alleged disrespect Galamsey allegations. Amina Humra, you buy Babaton. So good to on Adom TV. You buy see. Yes, I will Dr. Ezekiel Doctor. Urubit Buamiye the health dangers. Yeah, expose your mind to. With this Galamsey the year as the year good as the year good ya proud to this so near proud to
be propaganda also on coin health. Ono enye health to buy so be propaganda. Now man propaganda.
We will get there. We'll get there. But Enra ade this year.
Okay.
Na I was say you condemn it. Abanya or say or befa school for school fees. Na propaganda and then mu policy or the buyer or say no stress fee. Now academic user fee component of your school fees. And your school fees ni na po. Efa kakra bi aban say meje ama omo start universities. Oje enu wie na wutu ya na aka no. Wo ko we nimu a continuing student, you see you increase school fees by 60% or hanchemu aduesia. Enti ya shada ama 1 cedi. Na uchima yode. Moving forward to the next year, yes, your two school fees move 60%. And Tamale teaching, Tamale technical university.
Move time be.
Ya two school fees.
Ya two school fees move.
No more move.
Tamale continuing students at Tamale Technical University.
You increase fees by 60%.
And the amount of students no echo demonstration run. And now how many police?
Dr. Ezekiel.
Oh, now story near them. Your producers are there. And the ma students no call demonstration run.
Ezekiel
Omunya academic user fee
no first year no
first it's the second year continuing students no
continuing students no yes you
school fees by 60%.
Commander omo aye mom no fee stress no omo move we they've not moved
academic year no continuing students that means if you are moving forward
have they moved
you are going to pay
increment 60%
increment no
okay also so
nti akwasiko no gina nkwentia
also so
akwasiko no gina nkwentia nti students nti ase and omo year demonstration to protest against the increment and right clash by now for those of us who believe in studentship na ye hwe see nrana entwa ye kra enka ban no take that decision you compare enka ye but it's so peculiar with NDC and the antics how we play. But the stories will unfold and we will come back to digest the issues as they go ahead.
Okay.
On the issue of roads, I'm happy to say yes, because the standard now MPP is too huge. Over 13,000 kilometers of roads countrywide. Every region, every district are benefited. In fact, yes, the icing ever 2 cake in so.
Doctor.
Emma, yeah, the district road improvement program by friend DRIP ene ye say NDC for e de Galamsey e wo districts no machines no ye de body be pay so akwan a yantumi amfa asphalt ana quota angu so no na ye de drip machines no akosiesie until say ubenya proper roads. So if omo be continue roads na ya no Nsawam Ofanko Road, Afienya Dodowa Road, Tema Interchange roads across the country. Roads are starting in almost say almost be continue no. And I'm changing name na be a big push project. And I'm not surprised. They don't have any ideas. Until we be there, kakra wa ye no. Yes sandi no. Na yen fan to ye ho so 10 ye. But we will be here and we will expose every step our may take it. Empire ne send the MPP started here now rules are here I be boa Ghana for no. They should make sure say they continue no movie project no to help Ghanaians. Ne krakra ni nyina ne say ne menu aka ye nyina about Galamsey ni nyina ne say now the NDC is clueless and they don't have any plan to solve Galamsey. Party a mo opposition na mo gidi say MPP any omo wa aban mu ene ye Galamsey enu nti mo beka kire Ghana for say omampani a wote so na Akufo-Addo e wo pepa no na obe solve Galamsey a ono na odi asojafo nyina e wo oman mu anim. He was the commander-in-chief of the Ghana Armed Forces. Enti Akufo-Addo wo pepa no na Galamsey no ne hu mbomu a it's a matter of giving order to the military. They will move to Galamsey site and they will stop Galamsey in 2 weeks. Now, omo die Ghana for an opportunity. No mo be di oman so a ombe stop Galamsey in 1 week. In fact, omampani na ko a step further. Omampani a otisui. Oko a step further. Ena one Ghana for nya apam. No catch Ghana for say in my first 120 days. In my first 4 months, and nema me pesa me ye no, osade gu krata so, e documenting differently. Unim say oye youth manifesto, and oye ni main manifesto, and osaye ni social contract. The first 120 days in office, and nema me ye. Oko bullet 19 na. Omampani say the first 2 words in his first 120 days. Bullet 19, the first 2 words for that commitment to Ghanaians, no, or say. Ban illegal and new mining activities. He's coming to ban it. A ban is a ban. And beyond 1 week promise now, Mama, as a Ghana for my opportunity, we are going to solve Galamsey in 1 week, you know. Almost a step further. It's actually at the Tokratamu. I catch a Ghana for say, oh, within my first 4 months, many opportunity, may best stop it Galamsey any all forms of illegal mining. Maybe sell, maybe joining na ewo mining. Any ene. Omampani na ne kofre in Centrefo. Edeko Jubilee House. It could be some questions. After the catch sebi. Say yes, say yensu ni yes say asase. After all, enya na enya hunska. There is no commitment. Omampani ni NDC. Omu ni any form of commitment to fight Galamsey. Say Ghana ni bi wo gidie. Say NDC be stop Galamsey ya. Omampani engagement on the media have a it's a clear indication. I see he doesn't have the commitment to stop Galamsey. Anya she no Omampani of 4 cabinet ministers. Omodo omunsase omobo e she Ghana for bo. E wo man mu. Ni edi kan education minister. Joy FM for ya munuanom and the interview no. And he believed in implementing the emergency situation, you know. I call it for no. He believed it was supposed to be implemented now, not in the future.
That is state of emergency.
State of emergency, education minister or a cabinet minister. The minister in charge of communications. On Ghana for I say within 1 week, if NDC is elected, they will stop Galamsey and then or a cabinet minister or no Omampani any fact.
Sam George or say
then.
If the president is serious in the fight against Galamsey, he can do that in 1 week. And then the same thing if it's being played back. Okay, you are playing
if
the same
his
thing.
Government, if his government,
playing back and saying it's a promise.
If his government,
they are not.
If his government, and his president, and the cabinet, Pepana, they will use 1 week to end Galamsey.
Okay.
That's to paraphrase.
Okay.
And use it in their own context as Omwa Abaimu. The Minister of Foreign Affairs, Nano Kache, also one day, or GD say, you implementing state of emergency. No? Now, you're buying all forms of small scale mining, all forms, whether legal or illegal, you're banning it for 10 good years.
Maybe I bet you a video business here. I think it's the western region. Jura Ashim in the western region. And there's an action by the NIMOS are buying Kuwait together to put a halt to illegal mining. Oh, my God. Oh, Mutua Namo so met me as topic Galamsey.
Because I say,
so listen to the statement. As a video ready, a joint task force from the National Anti-Illegal Mining Operations Secretariat and the Nzima East Blue Water Gas has conducted a successful raid against illegal mining operations along the Ankobra River. The operation took place on Saturday, that's 13th September, targeted a known illegal mining hub in the Jura Ashim area of the Nzima East municipality. Acting on local intelligence, the task force encountered a site occupied by an estimated 1,000 illegal miners who fled upon the team's arrival. The operatives systematically cleared the area, seizing and destroying all mining equipment and makeshift structures used by the miners. A total of 34 chamfan machines, 11 cylinders, 3 generators, 5 pumping machines, and a significant number of other materials, including electrical cables and personal items, were destroyed.
That's not the contract. You say ban. This is the social contract with you.
Mampeni social contract.
Yes, first 120 days. Point 19.
Mohammed's first 120 days social contract with the people of Ghana.
Yes.
Point 19.
Yes.
Ban illegal and new mining activities in forest reserves.
Yes.
Roll out our Tree for Life and Blue Water initiative to heal and sustainably harness the environment by turning areas and water bodies degraded by illegal mining into economic and ecological recovery hubs. That's why I
said ban. The first step is to ban. Then you go ahead to reclaim.
It's when animal 2 years, 9 months.
Which ban have you seen?
The ban,
ban. You say I will ban illegal mining.
It's red no
illegal mining.
And the whole TV should allow. So right now the Ministry of Lands and Natural Resources Committee now. Galamsey no. So this is the area that have about 1,000 illegal miners.
I could see. Oh, Jijin some hondo. Or say I will ban. Backlash and I ban na you to Anamowe. And a 9-day wonder. I'm giving you 2 weeks. We will come back to the studio. I'm giving you 2 weeks. Backlash and Abano. Ghana Bar Association Akabi. TUS Akabi. It's a prominent Ghanaians Akabi. Catholic Bishop Conference. Omu na Akabi. And I'm Mpensenpensenmu who said, "Baby, I've lost the goodwill in terms of Galamsey fight."
You know what he's doing right now?
I give you 2
What
weeks.
he's doing right now is that he's actually
Let me finish my submission.
Let me finish my submission. Give me 5 seconds.
No, Miria, you can come in. You can come in. This is my time. You can come in. Let me finish.
Dr. Yugi.
It's a 9-day wonder. Okay. They say me not here. You didn't share. 2 weeks time, you will come back. The person has given you the commitment that in my first 120 days, I will ban. So these steps, you continuing measures. So ban, issue a ban. Then you go ahead to reclaim the lands. So if you say go Akwashiwe, Crocodile John, just to get media traction, say baby, then we come back to our own state. Say after all, yes, say assassin, say Yinsua, Edisika Brett Mamufo. He has no commitment to fight Galamsey. The in all this is that. And then NDC keeps repeating it. I say it was MPP 4. Galamsey. So you are in government. And you know the people who are doing Galamsey. And my brother has stated it here today. In fact, they even went ahead and did a flyer. And they showed, they labeled it the kingpins of Galamsey in Ghana. And almost did Ekufuado and Dr. Bawumia Tumfinifni. And our MPP party functionaries and appointees a circle around the graph. So you know, it shows that in opposition, you knew the people doing Galamsey. And my brother has repeated it here. So if you knew the root cause and the people involved in Galamsey, now you are in government and you can't go after them, it shows you are ineffective. It shows the government is ineffective. If multimedia and who say Obi breaking into their building all the time, and they know the person, but they only send Mr. Kwesinsia to come and sit on TV, to come and complain. Without multimedia taking steps to prevent the person, what does it say about multimedia?
Okay, but that's it.
So you believe, let me finish, my brother.
Okay.
Oh, you believe, and you know the people behind Galamsey, and you went ahead to do a flyer with their faces. You threw it out there. Even in government, you are still blaming the party and the government that has left for you to come and rule. And you are still telling Ghanaians that MPP for Nisha Galamsey, yet you are unable to go after them and stop them from doing your activities. And so you are buying, it shows you are incompetent, it shows you are ineffective, and it shows you are inefficient.
But that's it.
Incompetent and ineffective.
Fighting against Galamsey is one of NDC campaign promises. JDM, please remember your promise to fix it. Special greetings to Hajia Safia Mohammed, next MPP National Women Organizer, Komesa Edward Dome Plateau, and all the Eban. We say Adom TV, Bedjem is #1. Thank you for the good job that you're doing. This current administration of JDM and the NDC Galamsey has become, Galamsey under JDM and this NDC administration has become worse in this country. And the sad truth is that same NDC gurus are the same people doing it. Ghana, we have a long way to go. Capito, Edward Free Goso, Menshia, Ena, Ode, Ebaye. We say Engineer Kwabere Japan is the only one that can lead the MPP, can help progress the nation. Okay, Noah. Yaka, and soon at the 1 minute now.
Bishop,
okay.
Bishop. We say, Niameka say, Obo, His Excellency Abason say, maybe a between.
Okay.
Now, some Crawford say prominent people of Ghana, Akasano, no munisa, Akukudona, Bibi Nkoya, Omutimi Kebwamo. So Obobo TUC, and him for an Obobo and Obobo Crawford Mpensenpensenmu, and also the prominent people in Ghana.
So, and the Kufado, Muhammad and Nanim so some Casomate me and Casa.
I saw for through.
I saw for.
And now, also for me to make a he says, let's John Dramani, Mahama first. So for Ben and Casao Kruma. Bibi Nkoya.
And Kufado, when we say Ghana Collect Bishop Conference issue statement. When we say Ghana Pentecostal issue statement. When we say UTAC Echo Strike. When we say TUC Ekasai.
Oh, Dabe.
And Kufado.
Dabe.
Anna.
Oh, actually.
Akufo-Addo mfimfin sɛ na ɛwɔ mfimfin wo akukudu a yɛde kasa
dem na sɛ
na mu ni akukudu a yɛde kasa one kasa bishop woni mi sɛ na obi ani wo akukudu a yɛde kasa
do you know say President Akufo-Addo buy 4 months into his administration he started to stop Galamsey media coalition against Galamsey started was launched in April 2017 4 months into his administration
and for 8 years then or
that would be another topic.
For 8 years, one to one among
okay.
Ne party for Ebenezer say omo ye Galamsey akasa. Ono akasa personally and a clear woman. Sankro for cry or say ya name omo ye ntimi ye omo hwe no. Ye ko pick omo apa na mo amasa akoda yoko dan nim. Maybe wu nkobi. Say ka ukobi anka wo say they go there daily to go and answer questions. Now the fact say, hey for to say, you be ba to abonte, say na akopeki we you, so almost come akosa machrewa. Nka wo say Galamsey na omo ye no. Omo tua hoka. Kwesi 1 minute na so. Kwesi ne krakra ni nyina ne say ye ka government or ye intolerant. Na nkrofo ntumi nkasa e ya ban we.
How?
Menu apenyi say Akufo-Addo under him nangu into me nkasa Mr. Professor Radford Jampo I know what position e wo NDC mu and the position was nke dem amebrai
one catch us
o lead you
catch the Professor Radford Jampo
is that position kasa hu say ya o kasa hu say ya enye ono a ni ehia say ya lead teachers a cause strike in this country ema adusuafo adesua eto ba ha e wo man mu I was share NDC.
Would you do some time addition to
Oh, let me finish.
No, addition to
Crazy. Or share NDC. Eh, takra wuje. E declare strike. Our universities. Now and go phone to Minkasa. Catholic bishops. Our call work against Galamsey. No mun to Minkasa. Workers, sorry, yes, you declare state of emergency. They will go on strike. Didn't you see some people go on strike? The prominent people in the country who spoke against Galamsey. And one to me casa freely ewo maimu. One enche no wo maimu. Minua pokwase. Yenche.
Wow, shebe bi odin na.
Fancy comedy. Any other person. Yenche no.
Enti omukasa ni na support.
You need other two persons. Ewo sebi. Kumase ayenche wo mo. Abronye is not the latest casualty.
Hey.
Abronye is the latest casualty. Enne o man wumi. Yesu my judgment. Ne akofa fake quotes of Zimbabwe former president Mugabe to even make a ruling in this country. Talking of culture of silence and people who can't speak their minds.
But and we
it is within his regime. It's within his regime. You see, during a coup for those time, to me kasa. A coup for now kasa. In his regime, people can't speak. They are trying to put fear and intimidation in people. So if you are comparing under whose regime, and now Ghanaians were free to speak without intimidation, go on social media, check your own activists, check your own MDC known faces, and social media handles to denigrate the person and government of Akufo-Addo. And do same today under the government. Let us see. So we'll be to me at that. In the end, the crack say, Nana, they can't fight the Galamsey.
Okay.
Ghana for wa motoso. Ese Mr. Mahama Bang, Ebe so Galamsey. Bosha was shame, ye mam 1 week, ye mam 120 days. You be declared state of emergency. You be banning Galamsey for 10 years. And then the crack say, TUC, Catholic Bishop, OBBI can say Galamsey is west. Now, Ninsu Sanso, any near Yahoo. Yeah, shut it down, your water plant.
But as Dennis, how did you AC? Me patch microphone now off. Me did you see AC that so AJ Bre now share bedroom on Adom TV. Nyakopo yard watching us here down for best idea. She across na share Adom TV. It's an say what as we. Hey, na patch with a quick one. Mama nyesa happy birthday nyesa dia Abranti ekumi. So happy birthday enko enfama. Birthday to grab a big okay, so happy birthday. Enko Mama Sachi Misroda, Mr. Mamanya Nessa branch will be obedient. So happy birthday, confirm Doctor Stete. And your birthday. Yakupo Nshita no nyoka se kweso be kese pa. Macro.